I just made the best cup of coffee I've ever had, and I figured I should document it and show, because I'm going to probably make it again and show you how I did it. I started off with some Stone Street Colombian beans. You can get these on Amazon. I'll show you what they look like raw. So these are the raw beans. And then I also was trying some Brazilian coffee. I can't remember if I got these on Amazon or eBay. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use a whirly pop. And you're going to want to get between 350 and 400 degrees. And you turn this and it turns the beans in there. You can make really good popcorn with this. And then you probably need something like this in order to either heat your water that you're going to use for the coffee, or also something like this, a saucepan for heating the milk. And then if you're going to make a latte, which I did, this is my latte, and that was my coffee. Still some in there. Oops. Turned on my frother. So you put 2 AA batteries in this. I got this on eBay. It's a little frother. And you stick it in there and you froth your milk with it. Turns on like that. Turns off. And that's for making a latte. And use a little thermometer. I might make another video doing all this stuff in order, but then I'd have to edit it and put it all together. So you want to get between 350 and 400 degrees, and you'll hear the beans start to pop or crackle more or less. And then you want to go till they look about like this. They got the natural shiny oil on them. I think these were my Colombians, these were my Brazilians, and this was my first attempt at the Colombians, and I think I got it burnt. That is a dark brown black there. And then what I'm using to grind is a hand grinder. Something like this. You can get this for a few dollars on eBay. Put your coffee in the top, like so. After it's roasted, after you cool it off, and shake it in a colander, something like this, or a strainer, to get all the flakes off. Stuff like that will flake off. And after it's cooled, you want to grind it like so. And you'll see as I grind, some of it will start to fall. Try to line it up so you can see. It's hard to turn and grind at the same time, but you can hear it. And you can turn this up and down to decide whether you want a coarse or a fine grind. And then there's your coffee grounds. Then put your coffee grounds in something like this, a little French press. This is the best way I've ever found to make coffee. Put your coffee grounds in there. Put your hot water in there, not boiling, but hot. Put in there. Let it kind of mix together for 3 or 4 minutes, I guess, and then you strain it out with this. And then you pour your coffee. And if you want a latte, then you mix some milk in with this, with your foam. Big lump of foam there. And here's your latte, and it is really good. That is the best coffee I have ever made in my entire life. Looks like this. Man, is it good. Let me tell you. Again, I might try to do this all again just to show you everything in order, but that's all of... And it is a lot of work, and so you got to really enjoy coffee and not mind doing the work and having a house that smells like coffee roasters, but that's no problem for me because I like the smell of coffee. But this is that is some good beans right there. I'm gonna enjoy this, and I might make another video doing everything in order, but that's all you need. That's all the stuff I used. to create this.